Single function pressure balance cartridge. Chrome finish. For use with Peerless Tub/showers. Genuine Peerless repair part. Designed exclusively for Peerless faucets, this single function valve cartridge is used for repairs to Peerless faucets. The Delta brand lives by 3 tenets. Water has the power to transform the way people feel every day. There can be magic in simple solutions, and innovations flow from human insight. Inspired by our customers' needs, Web brought you technological magic with simple solution innovations like Touch 2.0, MagnaTite docking and H2O kinetic technologies. We pair thoughtful features, like being able to turn on your kitchen faucet with a tap of your elbow, with breathtaking designs and product that's built to last long. Top reviews from the United States. Great value in restored my hot water. Able to find this product for a lower price than your neighborhood hardware store. When it was installed, it helped to restore my hot water within the home because the initial one that was installed when the house was built went bad. So the plumber was able to replace the old one with this item that I purchased from Amazon, and within minutes I had hot water for a longer period of time in the shower.